Complete travel guide to Nagarkot waterfall hike. Starting point is Nagarkot Suspension Bridge, from where you walk through beautiful pine forest. It is a single tracks. It is 4 kilometer hike and it will take you 2 hours through beautiful forest of the pine, and it goes through waterfall where you can see an amazing views of the forest, especially pine trees, and it is very quiet, peaceful with fresh air. So after walking for 30 minutes, you reach Nagarkot waterfall where you can see people. They are enjoying the waterfall. Some even do jump in the
One, go!
water. If you like, you can do small picnic here nearby, and then we will continue through the single tracks inside the forest towards our destination, which is Nagarkot. You see a beautiful forest view, and it can be quite confusing if you do not have maps.me. So you need to download one file, GPS, and then our destination is our finishing point is Nagarkot Buddha Peace Park, from where you can see these amazing views of the forest. For GPS file, you can contact us.